Hello student, I am Dr. Paramita Basu from Key Art and Design. So today I have come for telling you about a very nice college in USA, California College of Art. It is also being called CCA. So let us know about CCA College. The California College of Art CCA is a private art school in San Francisco, California. It was founded in Berkeley, California in 1907 and moved to a historic estate in Oakland, California in 1922. In 1996, it opened a second campus in San Francisco. In 2022, the Oakland campus was closed and merged into the San Francisco campus. CCA enrolls applicably 1,239 undergrads and 380 graduate students. CCA was founded in 1907 by Frederick Mayer in Berkeley as the School of California Guide of Arts and Craft during the heights of the arts and craft movements. In 2003, the college changed its name to California College of Art under the leadership of President Michael S. Roth Academic. CCA offers 22 undergraduate and 10 graduate majors. In 2021, CCA unveiled a BFA in Comics. California College of Art covers the Bachelor of Fine Art BFA, Bachelor of Art BA, Bachelor of Architect BR, Masters of Fine Art MFA, Master of Arts MA, Masters of Architecture MArch, Masters of Design MDesign, and Masters of Business Administration MBA degree. Masters of Advanced Architectural Design. California College of Art is accredited by Western Association of School and College, the National Association of School of Art and Design, and the National Architectural Accrediting Board. Core disciplines: architecture, design, fine art, humanities and science. Undergraduate: animation, architecture, ceramics, comics, fashion design, film, furniture, game art, graphic design, history of art and visual culture, illustration, individualized study, industrial design, interaction design, interior design, jewelry and metal art, painting and drawing, photography, print media, sculpture, textile, writing and literature, critical ethnic study, critical studies, computational practice, ecological practice. Postgraduate program: comics, design, design strategy, film, fine art, interaction design, advanced architectural design, Masters of Architecture, visual critical studies, writing. So what you require for portfolio? Your portfolio should represent your best work and reflect your motivation, inspiration and willingness to challenge yourself. First year applicants are required to submit 10 to 15 images, while transfer and second degree applicants must submit 15 to 20 images. Portfolio do not need to show work in the single discipline as in the discipline you are interested in pursuing, and we encourage you to explore a variety of ways of making. Stand-alone film, video and animation sample should not exceed 5 minutes total. Multiple clips are expectable provided their cumulative length is 5 minutes or less. We encourage you to include creative writing work in your portfolio, especially if you are interested in the BA in writing and literature or BA in history of art and visual culture program. Written pieces, whether short work or except of long pieces, should not execute one page or 500 words. You may submit 10 to 15 short pieces of written work or a combination of written work and visual art pieces not to exceed 15 items in total. So basically, according to CCA portfolio, when you are making the portfolio, if you are going for undergrads, you have to give a diagnostic portfolio. They want that you can give any types of work, any discipline work. But of course, when you are going for a postgrad work, that time they require specific portfolio according to your scene, because this which I have first spoken was I was telling you about undergrads everything. So when you are going for postgrad, you required a specific portfolio, even if you are going for any field. So accordingly, if you are going for writing field or everything, then also you have to give specific work for according to that portfolio if you are going for master's program. But if you are going for undergrad program, then your portfolio should be diagnostic. You can put all type of work. Even if you are going for fashion design, it's not necessary that you only give fashion design work for undergrads. You can give any discipline. You can give communication design work, you can give fine art work, anything of your portfolio. But when you are going for master's program and if you are going for fashion, then only fashion work should be there. If you are going for communication design, then only communication design should be there. So it's specific and diagnostic. I have already had given a video before what is specific and what is diagnostic portfolio, so you can go and watch that video also. And here, of course, undergrad program you have to give diagnostic portfolio. For post graduation program you have to give specific portfolio. That's only there. And the work should be very nicely, and of course process work is required, and plus it should go around your own identity. The portfolio should look like you have done it. It should not be copied from any Pinterest or anywhere. It should be original work. Everything should be original. Even if you are doing any small work also, it should be original. So now we come to other things, which is the other exam which you have to give, especially the English exam. They only required another exam is English exam, which is the IELTS paper. So other than portfolio, what other things are required? Let us see about undergrad students. Online applicant and non-refundable application fees of $70 USD you have to pay. Personal essays, then high school and or university transcripts, one letter of recommendation. Of course, portfolio we have already discussed. Proof of English proficiency. You can give exam of TOEFL, IELTS or CI Advanced, CAE, CEFR and PTE. So here in India you can easily give IELTS exam. So go for IELTS exam. It is much easier than any other exam. So let us see what you have to get in your IELTS or TOEFL. If you're given TOEFL, what you can get. If you are giving IELTS, your score should be minimum of 6.5 or higher. So 6.5 is minimum. Higher you can go like till anything. I think IELTS is the best thing. You should try go for IELTS only. Less other thing is not so much important. So IELTS, it is easy and you can go for IELTS, and you have to only get 6.5 or more in IELTS. So as I have told you everything about CCA, if you want to know more about, you can WhatsApp me in my number. And if you want to join my portfolio classes, where I am also helping you, I am helping you in brainstorming, I am helping you to think more how you can do original. Then we are helping everything. I am teaching you new things which is required for the portfolio, like all the mediums, all the designs. So if you want to learn and if you want to get help from me for your portfolio, WhatsApp me in my number and then write your name and state and ask me about the portfolio, how you can join my classes. Then I will give you all the details in WhatsApp message. And if I think that I should have a talk with you, we can have a Zoom meeting, or we can even take a phone call after you message me in WhatsApp message. So what are you waiting for? Grab your phone and WhatsApp me in my number. So I think this video is very important for all the students who want to apply in USA and specifically in CCA. So don't forget to like and share. Those who have come first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you with lots of video. Bye for today.